Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you how I just end up scoring cheapest FJ40 land cruiser that runs and drives 76, so it means front disc brakes in the country, in the United States. I'm not as cool as other big channels that score cheapest Lamborghinis and shit, but hey, I take win when I can. Bam! Alright, let's get back to the video of me going and getting it. We're about to go pick up FJ40. Got the monies, gonna go look at it. Alright, so on the way there right now. It's about 50 miles from the house. It's a mystery Land Cruiser FJ40, so don't really know the year, don't really know much about it. I know the dude had it since like 84, so we'll kind of see and figure out what year is it and stuff. I'm really hoping 76 and up, so it has disc brakes and stuff, but you never know. So we're about 30 miles in so far. It's gonna be there soon. I didn't want to film the first drive because it was experience, but here it is. 76. It's exactly the year we wanted. So it has disc brakes and a 4-speed. And the working winch. We did test it out, but the guy had a remote. So he said I need to buy another remote, so oh well, not a big deal. Getting some gas in it right now. And it's done. And now we gotta make it 50 plus miles back up on a vehicle that doesn't like to go past 60. Home. Almost home. Just a few more miles under there. So far runs like a champ. I wish the temp gauge worked, but I don't smell any antifreeze and we're not on fire yet, so it should be okay. The fuel gauge works and the alternator gauge works and the speedometer, well, it's old FJ, of course it doesn't work. Let's assess what we got. So, looks like we got some wiring over here, just chilling. I have to figure out what is that for. Interesting. Pretty rust free. I mean, it has a couple usual spots. Okay, comes with some 308. No, that's 280. And it has a little spot right there, which is normal. And then it has the usual spot over here where the barn doors are. Some more loose wires. The seats don't look like they've been used much. It has a little auxiliary heater over there. A little rust there. A little rust there. But if it doesn't have rust there, it's not real FJ. What's up? Might need 2 hands for that. Alright. So here it is. Looks like it has Riemann carb, which the previous owner said he wasn't too happy with those. Has some header. Doesn't look anything shady in here as far as wiring wise. I don't see any obvious leaks or anything. It's interesting. You got a little bit of oil seepage over there, but nothing crazy, nothing you wouldn't expect. You gotta clean it up and see where it's all coming from. Could be old, you never know. Yeah, look at all this room. Can work on this for days. And whoever wired everything, they really did not use any freaking weather seal on this stuff. What we got here? A block hitter? Is that what it is? No, it's not a block hitter. Well, here it is. Our little FJ. I wonder if the sunroof leaks. Sure what this is. This kind of looks like a gun rack. It could be anything at this point. Took the sheepskin off. It's actually decent condition seats. Kind of surprised. Oh yeah, and the horn doesn't work. None of the buttons. So it's gonna have some electrical gremlins I have to figure out. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We do car, tool reviews, whole shebang. Lots of DIY stuff on my channel too. I really appreciate everybody that do subscribe, and I hope you guys have a good day. Take care.